Do you suffer from stiff, painful fingers and maybe some wrist pain? I have some exercises for you. The first group of exercises I'm going to show you are called tendon gliding exercises. So tendon gliding exercises helps to stretch out the different tendons that go to each of the fingers and to each joint of the fingers. So the first one is you start off with a straight hand, and then you bend so that your fingertips are reaching the top of the palm. You can also do the thumb and then straighten, and do this 10 times. Now in the beginning you may only be able to go this far, and that's okay. But you want to try, the goal is to reach the top of the hand. So let's do this a few more times together. And you want to try and do them like 10 times. The next one, you're going to go to the middle of the hand and then pull the thumb forward if you can and open. And that is like a regular normal fist. The next one is called a flat fist. So you're going to come all the way down and reach for your wrist or the bottom of your hand, and then up. Notice that each one of these are using different joints, so different tendons are being used to get to the fingers. Okay, and then after that, there's just the flat tabletop one. With this one, you're keeping your fingers straight and you're only bending at the big joint, the big knuckles. Now, if you're having a hard time doing these, you can also do them passively using the other hand. So what you'll do is you'll bend your fingers, come with the other hand, and press them in. Hold them for about 10 seconds or longer if you can. Okay. Then you're going to go to the middle of the hand. Once again, use the other hand to help get the fingers all in the right place and stretch it out for like 10 seconds or longer. And then straight back up again, and then all the way down. And once again, try to keep this lower joint here, the last ones, keep them straight so that you're only bending the middle joint and the big knuckles. And hold it. After you've done that, it should make it very easy to do the other ones. You can also go through and go top, middle, bottom, table, up. Top, middle, bottom, table, up. And that kind of gets it gliding a little bit more. Another one that I think is important to get the fingers moving is composite stretches. With the composite stretches, you are going to have your arm out straight, make a fist for the flexion ones, and bend the wrist down. Now you can come with the other hand and help it, and hold it for about 10 seconds, and then let it go. And then with straight fingers, you're going to pull your fingers up, and then you can also grab it with the other hand to stretch that out for about 10 seconds. One last exercise is to spread your fingers apart and bring them back together. Spread them apart and bring them back together several times. After that, you should feel like your fingers are much more mobile than they were before. Thank you for watching my video. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. This helps this video to reach more people. Have a good day.